unboxing today. We have this BMW S1000XR BMW again. I'll just repeat that. This is just literally coming, so it hasn't been valeted. This is just a brief video of the bike as it stands. There will be more videos later on, and obviously it'll be cleaner once it goes through valet. So starting off at the front, screen. Can't see any marks in it, but obviously you won't know until it gets cleaned. Headlights are good. Doesn't look like there's any stone chips, etc. Front mudguard is nice. There's the paintwork down the sides. It's all good. Forks are good also. Front tyre, lots of life left in it. And the wheel seems in good condition underneath the dirt. Coming around the side, all nice paintwork, no scratches in it. Engine casings are good, and the exhaust looks in good condition as well. Has got the aftermarket pegs for the rider. I've also got the originals in there. Swing arm is good. Rear wheel, again underneath the dirt, looks good. And the rear tyre, lots of life left in there. This is a 17 plate. It's got plenty of racking, and the top plate, jivvy top plate. So you can see, yeah, you just make out the jivvy on there. Chain looks good condition. A bit dirty, but it will come up nice. It has got a quick shifter and blipper on this. Paintwork again is all good on the side there, and the engine case is good. Coming up the top, all the tank is nice. Tiny little mark there, I think it is just dirt. Seat's nice condition. No scars on the hat, on the mirrors. There and there. Has got the extra clear screen on the hands and main guards. It's looking good older. Mileage on this model, once I bring it I will show you. Just got started. 8629, which will possibly go up 1 or 2 miles through testing the bike, etc. So yeah, that is it. If you would like to come and view this bike, we're at Rider Motorcycles in Castle Road in City Hall. If you can't get down for any reason, please give us a call. Open from 9 AM to 5 PM Tuesday to Saturday. Yeah, so please try and come down. Alright, thank you very much.